Alright guys, how's it going? So it was never my intention to make another video today. It's a Sunday, I'm meant to be painting the kitchen, I'm meant to be spending time with the kids and wife, and then somebody on Facebook posts this. Now I actually understand people in third world countries or developing countries actually only have internet on their mobile, which is why you generally get screenshots like this, but I thought I might as well show you while I'm here. Now generally when I'm printing screen I have a program called Lightscribe, and it pretty much lets you save, upload. It gives you a few options to be honest, but Blender actually has a built-in function. If you come up to window, you can see it here, save screenshot, and that actually takes a screenshot of your UI. So if you're ever posting on Facebook, try and keep this in the back of your mind. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, I've got a few mates now. You know what to do. Peace.